Hi, this is Ross from T.W White Sons, and today I'm here to show you our 65 plate Hyundai i10. This vehicle is a 1.2 SE and it is a petrol automatic. So what I'll do now is I'll now take you around the vehicle just to show you the vehicle condition. But in terms of this vehicle, it was originally supplied by us, and then we just purchased it directly from the previous owner, just as she no longer required a vehicle. But it's one that we've also looked after at our Hyundai after sales centre as well. And you can see as I'm bringing you around, just the vehicle condition is all really good. No dents or scratches to it. And the rear of the vehicle, you have got the rear parking sensors, which is nice. And you've got the boot size here, so there's good depth to it and also really good width to it. So yeah, for a small 5-door vehicle, actually really good size boot there. Coming around to the other side of the vehicle. And you can see all in really good condition. It's actually turned on, and you can also hear just how quiet the engine is, which is always nice as well. Really good engine in this vehicle. So we'll now go to the interior of the vehicle, starting with the bathroom fits. So sort of matching with the exterior actually, which is nice. You've got the blue and black cloth upholstery. You've got space for 3 people in the back as well. And again, it's actually you know, for a small 5-door hatchback, you've actually got quite a surprising nice amount of space in the back. So yeah, really good. They've utilised the space really well in this vehicle. Going to the front of the vehicle, so just show you the upholstery. All of the upholstery is all in excellent condition. There's no marks, tears or anything to any of it. It's all in brilliant condition. On the driver's door, it's just where you've got your electric windows, so all 4 windows are electric, and you've also got the electric wing mirror adjustment just there. And I'll now just step into the vehicle. So on your right stalk you've got your wipers, and on your left stalk is where you've got your lights. So for this vehicle, it's currently carried out 9,931 miles, so really nice low mileage. You've got sort of obviously your normal storages, so you've got in the doors, you've got nice deep storage in both front doors. You've got your glove box, some storage in the middle here, and cup holders as well. As I mentioned earlier on, this vehicle is an automatic, so petrol automatic. You've got even more storage just down there, as well as your charging points, so 12-volt auxiliary and USB. Then moving a little bit further up is just where you've got your air conditioning. So obviously the middle one changes how much air comes out. You've got your AC there, you've got your heated rear windscreen there, temperature here, and obviously where it's coming out in the vehicle, and then the circulation controls. Just turn that off. And then moving just a little bit further up is where you've got your audio, so you've got FM, AM. You've also got a CD player on there as well, and then all your sort of preset settings for that, and tuning settings for the radio as well. So there is everything inside the vehicle. But as I keep mentioning, it's all in brilliant condition for a vehicle of its age. Obviously, it's got that low mileage, and the condition sort of shows it's in really good, been looked after. So I'll just finish up outside the vehicle. So included in the purchase price of this vehicle, you will receive 1 year RAC Platinum warranty. So with that, you can get the warranty work carried out at sort of any RAC approved after sales centre, and you will also get 1 year breakdown cover as well. But if you do have any questions about this vehicle, or if you'd like to make an appointment to come and view and test drive the vehicle, then please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.